Hey everyone, this is Gary from Volutone, and we are really excited to start off 2020 with a great event that I want to tell you about. Not only is it an event, and not only is it a training coming up, but it's a launch effort. We are really super excited to announce AVPros to our Volutone lineup. I mean, that's awesome. You can hear everybody just cheering and clapping. It's tremendous. And I've got Steve Baker here, just flew in today, and I wanted to get together with Steve and talk to the dealers a little bit about why you should come to the trainings and kind of what you're presenting in this training curriculum. Talk to me about AVPros. How awesome.
There really is a different animal when it comes to companies in this channel.
Mm-hmm.
We come from a different place.
Mm-hmm.
We got started in the test equipment business.
Right.
So we kind of started with an understanding of the technology,
Mm-hmm.
and that led us to develop the products that we have.
Well, there's a tremendous SKU line that we're going to be presenting, and it's online right now. Please go and check the SKUs. I want to dive a little bit more into specifics and what you think you do really well other than the competition out there. This is a pretty tight channel. What do you think?
We have some unique engineering. We develop everything in-house.
Nice.
We own our own factory. Nobody builds our stuff. We don't build anybody else's.
Right.
And we have some very unique aspects to our products.
Mm-hmm.
When it comes to our HDBaseT technology,
Mm-hmm.
we use an entirely unique compression algorithm that we
Really?
developed
Uh-huh.
that only compresses the chroma information in the signal.
Mm-hmm.
We have a more reliable, more robust transmission method, hence the "it always works" tagline.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks better. We don't have the artifacts that other people have
Right.
in that sort of signal transmission.
Good. I love the confidence. The other guy that I'm standing right here with is somebody that you guys probably already know, but Stephen Ricks is such a great proponent, not only for obviously fiber and Cleerline, but even with this category, you know it really, really well. As you were saying, you knew a lot about the SKUs and the technology coming into it. So did you, and you really helped us kind of get to where we are right now, able to launch this, and we're going to take it on tour. You'll be on the tour with us starting February 4th, the AVPro launch tour coming up. I need you guys to sign up. And again, let's talk really briefly. What can we expect out of you? You've been there. You talked fiber termination and you hand-to-hand combat. I've seen you do it.
30-second terminations, teach you how to get in, understand why Cleerline's safer, stronger, faster, and is the best solution for you to be using for all of your high-end video needs. AVPro's got the market leader in the fiber extender, so our two products work perfect together. So look forward to training you up, teaching you all about fiber and why you want to use it.
Exactly. Guys, sign up. I need you guys there. It's going to be really important in one particular area, and I think we just talked about this a little bit earlier, and that is you guys have issues out there, and this is a solution-based product. I know, Steve, you're going to listen to the problems that are out there. I need this training to be somewhat conclusive on how to solve those issues with your product.
Well, we're going to talk about the products that we make, and we have a broad range of categories, everything from cables to matrix switches, really the best in the business, to extenders. But we also make test equipment, and we have testers that are meant for the integrator channel, and we'll talk about the problems you run into out there, how to identify them, how to fix them, where the weak links are, and how to use our tools to actually identify them, which is the hardest thing to do with HDMI video.
Well, these guys are both excellent and completely knowledgeable integrators themselves. You're in great hands. I will see you out on the road for 2 weeks. 6 locations. Check your schedule below. Sign up, please, today. We will see you for the first training in 2020. Guys, thank you guys so much. We'll see you out there.